What if I told you that over 1400 years ago, a book revealed truths about the universe that modern science has only recently discovered? A book that came at a time when humanity barely understood the world around them. Yet, within its verses, lay knowledge that would take centuries for scientists to confirm. This is the miracle of the Qur'an. Let's uncover 9 scientific facts mentioned in the Qur'an, long before modern science proved them true. 9. Determination of gender, Surah An-Najm, 53:45-46. The Qur'an says, "He created the pairs, male and female, from a drop when it is emitted." Modern genetics confirms it's the male's Y chromosome that determines a child's gender, a truth revealed centuries before DNA was even known. 8. The brain's decision-making center, Surah Al Alaq, 96:15-16. The Quran mentions the forelock, the front part of the head, as responsible for decision and error. Neuroscience now confirms that the prefrontal cortex is the control center for planning and decision-making. Stay with us, it only gets deeper. The next discoveries will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. 7. Life originated from water. Surah Al-Anbiya, 21:30. The Quran says, "We made every living thing from water." Modern biology agrees every living organism depends on water, and life began in the oceans. 6. The barrier between two seas, Surah Ar-Rahman, 55:19-20. The Quran describes two seas that meet but do not mix completely. Centuries later, oceanographers discovered that seas with different salinity and density form a barrier between them, just as described. 5. Mountains as stabilizers of the earth. Surah An-Nahl, 16:15. The Quran says mountains act as pegs for the earth. Geologists, like Dr. Frank Press, later found that mountains have deep roots anchoring the planet's crust, stabilizing it like giant pegs. Which fact amazed you the most so far? Comment below and wait till you hear what's next. 4. The water cycle, Surah Az-Zumar, 39:21, Ar-Rum, 30:10-48. The Quran outlines the cycle of evaporation, cloud formation, and rainfall, centuries before science understood it. This process was confirmed only in the 16th century, long after the Quran described it perfectly. 3. The expanding universe, Surah Ad-Dariyat, 51:47. The Quran says, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are expanding it." Astronomer Edwin Hubble proved the universe is expanding exactly as the Quran revealed 1,400 years earlier. 2. Iron was sent down from the sky, Surah Al-Hadid, 57:25. The Quran says, "We sent down iron." Astrophysics confirms iron isn't native to Earth. It was forged in the hearts of exploding stars and carried here by meteorites, a cosmic revelation written long before NASA could prove it. 1. The development of the human embryo. Surah Al-Mu'minun, 23:12-14. The Quran describes human creation from a drop of fluid to a clot to a lump of flesh, stage by stage. Dr. Keith L. Moore, a leading embryologist, later confirmed it aligns with modern embryology. More than 1,400 years ago, these truths were written. At a time with no microscopes, no telescopes, and no laboratories. Yet the Quran spoke with precision that even science is only now catching up to. Coincidence or divine revelation? You decide. If this opened your eyes, share it, because truth shines brighter when it's shared. This is Mystic 10, where faith meets science and mysteries become meaning.